Exercise 4.2, first question. 16 taps can fill a petrol tank in 18 minutes. The time taken for 9 taps to fill the same tank will be dash minutes. So as you can see, the values are inversely proportional. So use the formula x1 y1 is equal to x2 y2. Here x1 y1 value are 16 and 18 and x2 value will be 9 and y2 is unknown, so let us take it as x. So here you need the value of x, so x is equal to 16 into 18 divided by 9. So 9 and 18 get cancelled, so you'll get 16 multiplied by 2. 16 into 2, the answer is 32. Second question, if 40 workers can do a project work in 8 days, then dash workers can do it in 4 days. So they are in inverse proportion. So use the formula x1 y1 is equal to x2 y2. So x1 value is 40 and x2 value is 8. So x2 value is unknown, so let us take it as x, and y2 value is 4. So x is equal to 40 into 8 divided by 4. So cancel 4 and 40, you will get 10. So 10 multiplied by 8, you will get 80. So here the answer is 80 workers. Second question, 6 pumps are required to fill a water sump in 1 hour 30 minutes. What will be the time taken to fill the sump if one pump is switched off? So to fill the water sump, it takes 1 hour 30 minutes using 6 pumps. And here they have said one pump is switched off. So now the number of pumps is 6 minus 1, that is 5. So what will be the time taken? So let x be the required time taken. We'll write the tabular column. Time taken in minutes, then number of sums. So time taken in minutes, they have given 1 hour 30 minutes. So when you convert it in terms of minutes, you'll get 90 minutes using 6 pump. For 5 pump, what will be the time taken? We have taken it as x. So as you can clearly see that the number of pump increases, the time taken to fill the sump will be less. So they are in inverse proportion. So use the formula x1 y1 is equal to x2 y2. Here x1 y1 value are 90 and 6 and x2 y2 value are x and 5. So find the value of x from this, that is 90 into 6 divided by 5. You can cancel 90 by 5, you will get 18. So 18 multiplied by 6, you will get 108 minutes. So when you are converting this in terms of hour, you will get 1 hour 48 minutes. So the time taken is 1 hour 48 minutes for 5 pumps.